Hello! My name is Teacher Febby and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my English class. I have been teaching English for 4 years, guiding students of all ages in their journey to mastering the language. My extensive experience has equipped me with the skills and knowledge to help you achieve your language goals. When I'm not teaching, I like to travel and explore new places as well as listen to a variety of music. These passions allow me to bring diverse cultural perspectives and fun, engaging activities into our lesson. In my classes, I use interactive activities, meaningful exercises, role plays, and discussions to create an immersive and interactive learning environment. This ensures that you'll not only understand English but also be able to use it confidently in real life situations. I am here to help you achieve your English language goals. Feel free to contact me for more information or book a lesson. Let us start this language learning journey together. Thank you for watching and I look forward to meet you in class. Have a great day!